This is the Stampin' Up kit called Your Day to Shine card kit, and what I have done with this is I have created 3 cards, the cards that are as per the instructions, exactly like these ones, and then I have revamped them, so I've produced 6 cards, and then with the leftovers I've created a 2-page layout just using the elements from this card kit. And as you can see, there is not much left. This card kit came with pre-printed die cuts for the titles, so there's no stamping involved. There's just a couple of envelopes and some sparkles. So I've also used just about all the dimensionals and the adhesives that came with it. So let me show you what I've come up with. These are the cards that I have revamped. So this is the first one. I've made it landscape rather than portrait, and I've used the French Mon Ami, which I love. It's a little bit more personal than just friend. So happy birthday, Mon Ami. This is basically using all the same things. I will show you the other one. So these are the 2 together, and that's how I have changed it around. The next one is, what I have done is I've actually cut the card up and attached it to just a plain white card. So I have used the backing of it and cut these into strips. These are just 1 1/4 inch strips, maybe 3/4 inch strips, I think. And I have actually cut out one of the cards that I used in the scrapbooking and made it into a banner. So this is what my version looks like, and this is the Stampin' Up version. So like I've said, same but different, just a little bit different. And then the smaller card, I actually used the hello with the banner rather than the happy birthday. So not a lot of difference. I've changed out where the vellum is and changed the die cuts just a little bit. But I thought this was a really nice little card just to say hello. And again, I love the envelopes. Don't you love how they're pre-printed on the front, on the flaps here? So they're easy to use. This is the scrapbooking layout that I have created using the elements from 3 cards of the Your Day to Shine card kit. So I'll just show you what it is. This is page 1, and here I've used Smoothie, which is the equivalent of Calypso Coral. I have ripped it, and with the close to my heart pages, the cardstock, and soon to be Stampin' Up, there is white core. This is 2-toned, but I've only used the 1 tone here. And here I've used the peach. I think it matches really well with the flower. And I have foam taped underneath here and left a little bit of a pocket so that these tags can go in here. And these tags have been made using the blue little mini card. So I've cut them like that, and then they can be slipped into here because the foam tape allows it to. Here is all the die cuts that have been used on one of the cards, and I've basically put it together with the pot, and it's a great little cluster of things. This card here has been cut up from the purple card, and I will show you. So this one here has got strips of this flirty flamingo, and I have basically cut that up. And then I've used the back to make some tags. So that's how I have used this card. And again, this is similar to one of the cards. I've used it the same way. It's Your Day to Shine. Loving the vellum. So page 2, again, I've used the Smoothie and ripped it up so that the white core is shown. This is an envelope that I've used, and I have put foam tape underneath the butterfly so that it keeps the envelope shut, and you can put memorabilia into that if you like. Down here I have used some journaling strips, and that is from the lavender card, and that's Flirty Flamingo. Again, I've used a banner and used the friend there. Here I've chopped up the card completely so that I've got a 4x3 that I can use as a feature. Again, I have foam taped these photo mats, and this has been foam taped as well. This little cluster here is made from the die cuts that are there, and also the little banner that's included. I've used the sparkles. So that's page 2. So I'm really happy with the scrapbooking layout that I've created. I think it looks great. Anyway, love to hear what you think, and the fact that I've just about used all the elements in the Your Day to Shine kit to create 6 cards and 2 scrapbooking pages. Thanks. I'll show you what I come up with my next kit. See you later.